Wait, here? Does it show up? I have no idea if that shows up. Anyway, welcome to Human Resource Machine. I don't know. Seems kind of loud, you know, come to think of it. Oh, Christ, that's loud. But... Alright, I'm gonna try and do a new profile. I've played this game before, it's just been a while. These are the video wait. Yep. Alright. Hey. Hello. Welcome to the stream. If this is working. Oh, this is the private. Yep. You I forgot to change something. Okay, done. Now just to show up. It's not showing up. But... Oh, Christ. Yes, I did a private earlier to test out something, but just... I don't think it's working. Is there anything... See. This is live right now. Okay. Yeah, I don't think the notification actually probably went out, but whatever. I'll send this to the Discord. What's going on with that? What the hell is this? That's our doggo. I don't think he's red, but I just checked the Discord server, don't worry about it. But yeah, I don't know what's happening. Yeah, that phone not even show up properly. Dear God, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it looks like it's showing up properly. Anyway, no, it's whatever. Let's get started. This was gonna be pretty simple, and I think I did do a little bit of testing to see if this game would work. There's only a mute button, so I'm gonna have to lower the temporarily on OBS. I think I'm just gonna lower the thing on. I'll lower the game volume. See how that goes. Remember, you can always ask me to help. Okay. So you just need to drag commands in this area. So we just need to take us from the inbox. Drag into the outbox. Simple enough. Out of stuff in the outbox, you need to do 3 items. Keep hitting that. But, yeah. Simple instruction management. Please load. I need to check that. Check the menu. Is anyone even here? Probably not, but let's keep going. Alright, sweet. That's the first one done. So busy mailroom. Looks like you made it this far. Congratulations on your promotion. Let's see what's stressed out quick before making it this far. But I can tell you have a bright future in inbox-outbox management. Here's your new assignment. You give a command, you can get object arrow to move it to different lines of your program. Basically, this is probably a loop. So if it does this, the inbox directs to the outbox, and then it can jump back and then just repeats these actions. And hold on, we can speed this up a little bit. So this is gonna be the foundation of the puzzle game. Why is that? You know what? What if I just lower it on my? This is loud. This is extremely loud on my end. Hold on. I need to open the volume mixer. It lets me do that. Why does it not let me do that? I don't get what's going on. Go to settings. This is way too loud. The elevator. Sure. Coffee floor. Oh no! The inbox conveyor system is completely broken. But that doesn't mean we get to take a break from work. Just ignore the inbox for now, just send in free out letters from the out. So we just need a copy from. So that's the instruction of a copy from button then. That's good. Gee. An outbox. Yeah. Could do that. Scramble handler. Conveyor system is fixed. Just in time for you to get to work. Data won't collate itself. Got the first two things from the inbox, drop in the outbox in reverse order. Interview inbox is empty. So, you get a new copy 2 command. Inbox, you copy to 0. Drop from inbox. Outbox. Copy from 0. Outbox. Oh, hey Anna. I'm gonna stream, we're doing some puzzles. Simple way, we're trying to just make simple ways of... I got a really... Okay, volume mixer, thank goodness. You can turn that down here, bring OBS, the game volume back up. Hopefully that's fine. What is this game? It's human resource machine. Yeah, no, I forgot the name of it for some reason, but yeah. This is a simple puzzle game about moving boxes. Coffee time.
Back to work, everyone.
Yeah, the art sounds really... If you know the game World of Goo, it's the same people who made it. It's by this game is by the Tomorrow Corporation. No. No? I know what you're talking about. Rainy summer. Look at my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math. There's only 3 fingers on each hand. Oh, yeah, he does. But here you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete the assignments. First, you things in the inbox, add them together, and put the result into the outbox. You got a new command. Adds the contents of a tile to whatever you're currently holding. I don't know. So basically what we just need to do here, we just need to grab this, put this in this slot here. And then when you grab another one of these, which is what the inbox is for, when you can add that, you just add it, right? Just add one of this in your hand, and this is already on the floor, so just adds it and then just move whatever you're holding into the outbox. Theoretically. Yeah, this game isn't all that hard. It's a bit of an exercise in programming, which if anybody's thinking about like becoming a computer science major or anything like, or doing something with coding, or if you've already done it, this is a game I would probably recommend. But you know, it's been a while. So I'm pretty sure this is a on the left here is a challenge, right? What do you do when you end stream? I don't know. I read a post and just screw around. I don't know. You know something? I was actually trying to get Twitch streaming, like multi-streaming working with like Twitch and all that, but because YouTube is my main platform, I couldn't get it to work because I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to get this Hit a civil rights server, and that's not really much. Like, it's not, and I couldn't really figure that out. But that's what I do after I end stream. I don't know, 8. I don't know what you're trying to ask me. Let's see, 0 exterminator. Okay, yeah. What do you see yourself in 5 years? 10 years? I have a note here for your boss that says, from this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny. What a treat. Send all things that are not 0 to the outbox. You know, I command. It jumps only to the value if you're holding 0. Jump is 0. Okay. So does this end? So does that? This is gonna have to be a loop. I'm gonna do that. So we grab something from the outbox. Check. We need to check if it's a 0. If it's a 0, this is if 0. Then thing is, this isn't exactly an if statement. This is like, I mean. So if it's holding, if 0 is probably if you're holding it, if it's 0. So let's do it. Can I just do that? I'm just gonna skip the outbox thing, right? Yeah, it just grabs it from the yeah. So it should just grab it from the outbox. That works. Oh, we got new challenges. Higher scrutiny. These challenges can be very difficult. In many cases, it's not impossible to optimize simultaneously with one solution. Should I just do this again? I'm tempted to do this again. Figure out what. So, but whichever challenge is doing it 23 steps? Okay. So what are we doing here? So why does this take 27 steps? We can just inbox. Jump. That means we always jump, right? You get my message in Fortnite? No. I didn't get my if you sent me a message, I probably didn't see it. Hey, is this? I don't know. I didn't get a message, but yeah. Simple game. This is I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So, well, we do need to grab something in the inbox. We can. Thing is, let's see. How many are there? It's like 8, right? So we can do step. We can do like step. So that's. So there's 9 values. 9 values. That's. Yeah, so it's always gonna do like 3 input. On average, it's gonna do like 3, 4 input, so it's like 27. Ish, there's a faster way to do this. Which I'm not entirely sure how. Jump this. If I don't think I should be doing it. I'll think of it later, probably. What's the tripler room? Who are you? It's optional areas for high-performing employees only. Is that you? Well, you're late. 7 years late. You need to make some changes around here. I want to see 100% performance increase. From this point on, your performance value with extra scrutiny. Push thing in the inbox, triple it. So grab the inbox. You can copy it to this thing. That we can just add again. That's basically adding twice is basically just tripling, so not our box, right? So we can just jump right to the beginning. That's pretty simple. Alright, that's done. I thought that was easier. I felt a bit more easier than this one, at least to get both. Octopires. Oh. Only 3 add commands. Yeah, that's just. So we just take it from the inbox, copy it to. You can't jump a set amount of times, which kind of sucks, but you know. Basically, what we're doing here is that if we copy two, just copy two as an add, so that's going to be double. If we copy two here, that's basically going to double it again. And add it, it's going to double it again, and then double it again. Doubling 3 times is basically 8 times. The problem with like streaming a puzzle game is that you kind of have to explain what you're doing. Oh, I forgot to output. Whoopsies. The problem with doing this type of stuff is that you kind of have to explain what you're doing, which is something I'm not entirely used to. Bit of a new challenge, but I think it's fine. 90 fewer. And 36. Nice. We play Fortnite because I'm bored and I mean like after stream. I've got to be honest, I ended up uninstalling. I needed more space for other stuff, so I actually uninstalled the game. I was really only playing it for when we're on stream, and none of my friends have been playing it recently as well. So like, I need more space. You know, I don't have that much space left on it. I don't know. I don't really have much space left on the thing. It's a well-exceeded assignment. Reach think multiply by 40. Let's multiply by 40 in the tail though. We can break it down to like 8 times 5, so we can know. Probably break it down to 8 times 5, so we can probably just do. Okay, so don't know Fortnite? Not anymore. Not anymore. I can reinstall it, but that's like. But then I have the problem with no more storage space, and that's kind of suck. That kind of sucks. Yeah, copy from our hand into 0. It's 8 times. We do 16 or 32. Is it on? Oh, brain. You reverse these. Copy. You copy to that, and then copy from. That box, and then we add a jump here. Copy to that. 2. Wait. This is just really bulky and ugly. That's really bulky. Yeah, that is really bulky. I don't know, I don't like that. There's an easy way to. I'll come back. You know what? This probably works since that first one worked. See, maybe if I complete this, I'll get an idea of like how many blocks you're supposed to be using. Who knows? Yeah, that was 17 commands. That's not great. And yeah, 68 steps. I'll go back because since I feel like I'll go back to the elevator since, you know, this is technically the non-challenge ones. It's come to our attention. The Zero advocacy community has felt the previous assignment was non-inclusive. This time sent only the Zero staff blocks. What happens to the other letters and numbers? Imagine it. Leave the detail up to you. Box. Yeah, we can just go back to the beginning if it's yeah. So what happens if we just do this? Oh, no, we can skip that. I think. Is the problem if we so we just have outbox first, right? So yeah, we can't just do it with an empty hand. Okay. Yeah. So we have to grab something first. If not zero would make this a lot easier, but reasonably. Okay, can I do the whiteboard thing again? Just hit me, but I could potentially do the whiteboard thing again. Hold on, I'm curious. Hold on, can I do that? Should I just? Give me a minute. I want to do the I kind of want to do the whiteboard thing again. Let's see. Let me close some stuff real quick. I can do the whiteboard thing again. It's fine. Probably. Alright, so let's see. Screenshot this in. Let's see. I just. And we can probably bring this back up to open the Firefox. Let's see what happens if I just open that. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. So the idea is that if we just hold on. Just doing this. Nice. It's been a while since we've done this. The last time we did this was the last puzzle game. I think it's necessary. Anyway. So. I think that the idea here is that if we just we grab this and we recognize the thing is we only have jump if 0, right? So if we jump, so we can't just jump straight to the outbox, I guess. So we need, so okay, this is necessary. The descent box part is necessary. So if we jump if 0, so let's say if we jump if 0. We can just do this a dumb way. Let's say if we like jump is, let's say if we put like a jump here, right? So theoretically we do the inbox. This, if it's 0, this skips this. Okay, I'm gonna need like a red marker here. This skips past V. So if jump will skip past whatever this is, right? Let's try that. So let's try that out. That's ShatCon. That is. Okay, here we go. Let's just skip this. We jump back up here. We can try that. The thing is, I'm very focused on like if an interpretation is clean or not, which is kind of an issue with, that I have to get it past. I feel like just solving it is probably gonna be better. 28? What, 28? What happened here? Okay, because same time you're in the launcher. What are you talking about? Anna, what are you talking about? Okay, I'll come back to that later, probably. The hallway. Subtraction? I never learned that in school. Do you? We're a good team. Shh. Alright. Ratio things of subtractive first. Subtract. Contact conscious of floor from whatever you're holding. So basically the basically whatever's on 0, whatever's in my hand, is like second part of the equation. Okay. Okay. Subtract the first from the second. So inbox. So we copied that to 0, and then we grab another thing from the inbox. Subtract to 0. Copy from 0 and put that in the outbox. Is that what it's asking? New jump. I don't copy from actually because the outputs actually grab. Hold on, we don't copy from, right? Because yeah, the outputs place fair. Wait, subtract the first from the second. Let's just see if this works. If you're in the launcher, I like totally understand what's happening. Hey, you know what's up? Welcome to programming. Yeah, so basically. Wait, what? Yeah, so this is basically just a bunch of instructions. Like, I'm telling the guy, for the first line, I'm telling the guy to grab stuff from the inbox. Second line, I'm telling the guy to copy whatever this guy is holding into box 0. Notice how these boxes are numbered, right? So why does it break there, right? Hey, hold on. Wait, so what's happening here? Thankfully, there's a step-by-step function so we're able to tell what's going on. So, cover that. We grab that, subtract it, and throw it into the outbox, right? We jump, grab it from the inbox, place it in this 8, and 2. What? Oh, then subtract the second from the first. Okay. So does that mean that... Okay. How did I miss that? That's on me. From 0, subtract from 1, an outbox. Then, see how this goes. Yeah, we have multiple data slots for a reason. Okay. Oh, there's a Cybertruck street where you have to do quests. What do you mean by Cybertruck? What have they had Cybertrucks in Fortnite? God, that's a mess. Oh, sweet! I got both the challenges. Nice. I don't know why I hit back there. I keep doing that, but nice. What if I go back and do this? What's the solution I had here? Oh. Just do that, shouldn't I? Because if jump 0, this really just doesn't matter. I don't have to use this jump function. It just hit me. Here we go. That's simple. Right? So does that mean I have the ability to do this now? Do this now? Let's do that. This is something dumb. Something dumb like that. Nope. That's just dumb. So, what was it? So, let's just think about this refresh. We have to grab something from the outbox. If it's 0, we can do something that and just outbox. But I can't just do that. But then we just end up with like this block back here, can't we? And this would just lead to the. I want to do the challenge. I do want to actually like do the challenges because I don't feel like just doing all the new puzzles. It's just like interesting enough for me. See, 28 steps. There's something I'm missing that I can cut. But you know what? It's fine. You want to come back to that. Sometimes, some numbers are bigger than other numbers. Sometimes, they're the same. How can we know? Read about that here in this great book. Which number are you? For the aspirational 0. You aren't later. Oh. I name this one Yeedle. Cool. Grab 2 things from the inbox. If they're equal, put one of them in the outbox. Discard non-equal pairs. Repeat. So 3 and 7 should be. So inbox, copy 2, right? And then the other. So that value is gonna be in there. So we grab a number from the inbox. We need to check if it's good. So so we can subtract. I guess subtract. The best way to compare things, I think, is subtraction. If it's not a 0, then we can probably just skip it. But if it is a 0. If we just outbox the copy from there in this outbox, right? I think. So here's what I'm thinking. This is where the comparisons happen. The instruction under the Yeedle is where the comparison happens. Oh, now there's no way it's outboxing now. I have to jump from 0 over here. Right? Keep 28? Maximization room. Sure. Is there any change of plans? The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equally is no longer profitable. The manager wants the big numbers only. Oh, jump if negative is a new thing. Okay. I have that earlier. That would make stuff a lot easier. So now this should be holding. Okay, I'll place you in 1 actually. So this should be holding this, right? So let's see, inbox 1, this should grab the first value and place it here. Then this inbox should grab the second value and place it here, right? So now that's holding this second value. Holding the second value, then subtract it, right? First subtract 0. So what happens, so let's say what happens if like, alright. Okay. Hold on, I'm bringing up the thing because I actually need to visualize this. Whiteboard's coming back. Give me a minute. Delete. Place whiteboard. Delete you as well. And let's bring this back up. Let's bring the whiteboard back up. Alright, so. Let's see. So this will go here, right? And then we can grab this will here. But it's also gonna stay in this guy's hand, so. Right? So, sub is going to... What's it? Okay, I'm just already forgetting what sub does. Let's just run this right now. Let's do this. So sub just if this that means that what ends up happening, it's gonna be 8 minus 3, right? So that's gonna be 5. So that means that this number, if this number is that means that 8 is gonna be the second number is larger, right? So if it's a positive number, then the second number is gonna be larger. If it's the negative number, the first number is gonna be larger, right? So what that means. I don't know, I feel like this has the potential to break. We'll think about that for now, because this type of stuff, programming is iterative. Like, I think it is anyway. I think it's iterative. We just have to keep working on stuff. So, let's bring this back. So, let's bring this back into the... So, let's bring this back in, right? So, sub, that means this number, that means the second number is bigger, right? So this is so does that mean that if this is negative, then it should be grabbing the second one and then outboxing that, right? If negative, it's gonna skip that, I guess. If it's not negative, then it's gonna skip. No more Fortnite stream. Depends on if I download it again. I'm gonna be honest. Hey. Okay. I grabbed the wrong one. So 3, 7, 4. No, that's not right. The positive, no, positive is the positives be. Maybe I'll re-download it one day. Maybe I'll re-download it one day, but just as of right now, I need space for other stuff. So, yeah, and also, I don't know. I really only got forget. It's one of those things where I really only got just to be play with my friends, but that works. I mean, I want to branch out and like do other dumb stuff, right? There's a command I can cut somewhere. Yeah, there's a command I can cut. I want to be able to do other dumb stuff, but but having such a large game on here doesn't really allow me to do more dumb stuff. I don't think it allows me to do more dumb stuff, and honestly, unless I'm in like voice with my friends, I just don't really gel with the game. It's one of those things where it's like I kind of did it because it was, I don't know. It's fun a little bit, but like at another point it's just kind of, I don't know, not as fun. The point just stops being fun. If I don't need a copy too, right? If I just grab this to add, this is reverse, right? Let's step. So that means grab that. 2. Let's grab that. That means that's the else box, right? 3, 8. So that's a negative number. So wait. Oh, that's right. 2, 0. That's an equal. That's fine. Also equal. That works, I guess. That's a command I was able to cut. Because, you know, adding it back just brings it back to the same value. I don't exactly... It's more space... It's less space intensive and also more... It's also faster, which is very nice.
That, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service.
I don't know, computer science kind of do need to take into account how much space to take up, and...
Back to work, everyone.
What is happening?
massive army of machines has surrounded the city. The machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
Oh. That's not fun. Oh, okay. Absolute positivity. What is this? Ah. Positive attitudes were determined to increase positivity. And are now therefore mandatory. Smile! Management is watching. Then each thing from the but if a number is negative, must first remove the negative sign. Yeah. So inbox, outbox, just jump back here probably. Because we're gonna be doing loop. So if it is negative, let's do this. Copy to this box and just add twice. Just do that. Sure, why not? I mean, here's the thing. Adding twice, I think. Does that work? Sub twice. Wait, no, what? Actually, trying. Bucket back. Bucket. Bring up the whiteboard. Actually, don't need a. I can just do a blank canvas first one. Let's do a blank canvas. Let's do a blank canvas first one, actually. So now the question is, let's see. The question is, let's say you have a negative number. Say like -3 or something. How do you change that into a 3? What do you that's pretty terrible. That's on me. 3. We change this into a 3, right? So the operations we have are plus and minus, and let's assume we're only working with 3. So let's see, 3. This is just gonna, if we reduce this to 3 plus 3, that's just gonna bring it down over to a negative rabbit hole. But if we do 3 minus 3, so that minus -3, that's basically just 3 plus 3. So that would be 0, and then we can when we do it again, if we just do it again plus 3, that leads into a positive 3. So we just subtract twice. Mathematics, everybody. That's important. It's important. OBS. By the Firefox window. Yeah, it's a bunch of math. It's just a bunch of math, so we just subtract twice. We just jump with negative. If it ends up being negative, we just do it again. If it just skip, yeah, that seems fine. Just like that. "61 steps, though." That's funny. All right, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this the conventional way, probably. Let's do this the conventional way, sure. Because if we just jump from negative, jump to here, this will skip this jump. This will skip this jump block, so it just, skips that. So we can just bring things over and with no extra hassle. Alright, I can cut. Alright, I can probably cut something. That's weird. What can I cut? I don't know, I can cut. I don't know. Sabbatical Beach Paradise. What does this do? Oh wow, paradise. That's those people again. It's very bleak. Corporations, am I right? Oh. I just want to do a puzzle game. This is when I had my library, so I was like, you know, why not? Countdown. Yes, welcome back. Tick, tick, tick. Time keeps ticking down. Let's get to work. Oh, yes. Love what you've done with your hair. Is he balding? You're pretty. I guess actual years have gone by, huh? Reach number of inbox, send down number to the outbox, followed by all numbers down up to count. So bump. Subtract, add one or subtract one. So it's like. So, grab from the inbox, we can copy to that. Outbox. And bump. Bump 0. We can escape that loop if we jump. We can escape. We need something to escape this loop, or else this will be an if we just do this is just gonna be an infinite loop of that. Like this is the reason why we do this, because this is basically an infinite loop. Right? So if it does all the instructions, goes down here, this goes back up, that's basically an infinite loop. So if we just do this type of loop, we need an exit condition. And our exit condition is probably gonna be jump and give 0. So we just do that. Or up to. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna need to rethink this because or up to means that. Yeah. So let's say if it's a negative number, then I'm gonna have to. Hi, this is getting okay. This is getting dirty. All right, so we can add a comment here probably. What should we name this comment? Let's exit. You know, something can't really do in this company, but here's the so this is probably going to be our exit condition. And this is and down here. This is going to be a loop. A while loop, I guess we call it. A while loop. Yeah. So while this in the character's hand isn't 0, right? The only way we can do this is it's just gonna be bump. Just be bumping. And just jump. And just jump function past that. Because we need to be able to make sure this second block isn't run when. Yeah. Let me start outbox here. Okay, but bump puts it in the thing, so I have to place it here then. Huh? Interesting. Okay. Jump, exit. Yeah, this game gets help. Alright. Well, this gets complicated quick. I think I understand how fast this game gets complicated. Alright. Yeah, I straight up underestimated how fast it gets complicated. Alright, anyway. Let's, we're gonna keep pushing forward. I do want to reach the end. I do kind of want to reach the end of the game. I do want to reach the end of the game, but it's gonna be a harrowing task. If I just... This first jump of negative is probably... Just pump twice. Sure. Let's just do a bandage patch for now. Wait. So, oh, blind numbers down to... Hold on, let's see what he's... Tell me more. Tell me you enjoying your work, completely important. Proper sunscreen application. 3210. That's right. Oh, it's because I needed to... Okay, I think I need to actually, like, reset here. Let's clear that. Because I forgot to include 0 in this. Yeah. This inbox... Copy to... Let's copy to this first box and outbox it. We need to bump down or up. Depending on what should go first though. So let's say jump with negative, right? Yeah, the bump. Yeah, that should be bumped up. Right? I mean, there's no chat here, so I can probably I need to sit down and think. Is that working? No, is this working? Oh, it's working! I got it! You know what kind of... Let's see. How many extra instructions is that? Nice. Ah, come on. 114. What is this? What is this question mark? Measure the number... okay. That's... but you give me a number of instructions right. So, you just need to copy to outbox, bring that to the outbox, and then we need to copy this, and then we copy from the first box to run a check. If it's zero, then honestly, then that means we're reaching end of the line because we've already definitely put in a 0 from this outbox instruction up here. If not 0, then you have to bump depending on if it's negative or not. That's difficult. See, that's what kind of annoys me about it. The instructions, like I haven't been taught, because I haven't taught like in the computer science context. Oh, these only yesterday we only learned about adding. Gone memories. Worked so hard back then. Got labels. You can help the label the purpose of each tiles on the floor. Oh, we can actually also name. Pretty same slots. Let's. This is gonna manifest it. This is gonna manifest people. Don't worry about it. So, what's the goal here? Reach 2 things in box, multiply them, and outbox result. So we need something for our index, right? So that's basically like if we do the inbox and let's place this onto turtle, right? This output. Probably the output, I guess. Do we need to copy both? Let's see if I can copy both to turtle first. Oh. Hey, little bit Michael. Welcome to the stream. We're just doing some puzzle. We're doing some puzzle. Oh, I did see. You did actually. I remember you did send me that. You are uploading a lot. I've noticed. Let me check your channel. Let me check your channel real quick. You are actually uploading a lot. Like, let's see, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 9 hours ago. That? I don't know. But I can tell that you're also I can't edit for now. Okay. Yeah. So we just VODs? Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. So, I don't know. Do you know what this game... Turnbreakle, do you know what this game is? So... Yeah. Do not. Okay. Yeah, so this is a game based on, this is based on programming. You see the instructions on the right. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna do this real quick, just so I can demonstrate a little bit. So this, and I'm gonna pull this up on OBS. Okay. This is a puzzle game. Okay, so this guy right here is the guy who's gonna be carrying these boxes over to the output. Right? FX3, what do you mean by this? You don't just say that. Alright, we got it. We have a set of instructions over here. Basically, right now it's telling us to multiply them and output results, I guess. These are the sets of instructions we are using to get this guy to do whatever we want. This guy right here. This guy's doing over. This guy's useless. Don't mind him. He's weird. And then this is where we put all the instructions. And basically, the game will go line by line and do all these instructions. Yeah, this jump right. For example, this jump right here. This will jump to this destination, so it'll do all of these again. You get what I'm saying? FX Revo, why do you say that? That's like a very weird thing to say. You get it? Yeah. All right, sweet. You're basically caught up, and I guess you understand. Okay, here's some things I have to understand. Bump is basically like a this 1.2 is basically just a -1 to whatever box I guess. Add basically adds whatever's in this guy's hand and whatever box I choose. And this similar thing with sub, copy from, copy to, of course also do things with box. Inbox and outbox is basically this grabs stuff from this box. This one puts stuff from this guy's hand into this outbox. I picked a more complex game to stream today, just because I thought, why not? Why not? You know? Anyway, that's basically how this game works. It's a puzzle game. Feel free to play along if you wish. Write stuff down if you want. It's gonna be good. It's a good brain exercise because, you know, puzzle games. Yeah. Multiplication in this case is basically just adding, so I think we can we're gonna do this for now. So we just copy to this index right here. We have these labels, so I have one named Turtle. Sure. I'll name one Burnt Bagel, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using this one. Because I don't know if I'm gonna be using that. There's so many slots. There's so many slots that you don't necessarily have to use. We can copy from Turtle and add Turtle. Copy to output. Probably. See how that goes. If we can actually just bump we can bump minus index because that's the amount of time it's going to multiply probably. Really hope it does not give me negative numbers, or else that's going to complicate everything. And if that's 0, we can just go back to this. Think I might do a stream? Go for it if you want. What? I forget to... To go for it if you want to. What? And you just like to actually step back and do stuff and not just look at chat. But yeah, if you have OBS, you can be. The thing is, you also need like good internet to stream. Like, have you done like your internet like speed tests? Let's see. So copy to Turtle. Sure. Next, copy from Turtle. You don't need this. This is redundant. 3, 5. Yeah, because there's nothing in there. Did you have PFP? Did? Oh, you did. What is that now? Wait, what is that? It's hard to see, like, pretty, like, small stream, for a small stream bubble. I have to, like, actually, like, pull up your channel. Yeah, that's difficult. Yeah, that's gonna be difficult to see in a live chat. I do see what you did, Duvo. I did see that, but that's difficult to see. I thought, like, it's a lot easier to see what your old thing was, but I don't know. Yeah. If you want, did the lines are thin? Yeah, no. I feel like it would benefit from thicker lines, I guess. Let me just copy. Okay, let's be lazy about this and copy. Let's just copy to while I try to figure this out. Maybe 0 for a reason, actually. We have a 0 for a reason, actually. So we can actually just copy. Yeah, we just copy from 0. We have a 0 for a reason. Then copy to the output, right? We do that instead of turbo. What the fuck did I do? What did I do? Can we fix that real quick? Yeah. Are you using a photo key, by the way? I did talk about that for a little. Oh dear God, what have I done? So this works fine. I can bandage patch that if I just if I just do this. I can just do this and be done with that, but I just don't. That's also like unclean code. Otherwise this thing works. But there's a better way to do this. Oh, what? So 0 times 0 outputs a completely different number? Is that what I'm seeing? What was this trying to say? If I do this, why is this going infinite loop? Okay, that's going infinite loop. Why is it going infinite loop? This is doing that first, isn't it? Yeah. That should be the exit condition, so. Now that Fox the wrong amount because I'm not doing good. Fix it? Hold on. Can I take it out? Oh, that looks a lot. Oh, yeah. No, the lines are a lot thicker, but Let me check for channel. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Did you, Drew? Alright. Nice. Okay, but I think that should work. That should work. This is gonna be the exit condition. Come to think of it. Yeah, I think that placement's gonna be off. It's 15, but the placement's a bit. Yeah, no, that's definitely off. Go back. I want to see what happens if I just do this. That's not right. That's not right, because I need... Yeah, because I need the exit condition to be up here, man. Yeah, I'll come back to this later. The optimization. I feel like you should do optimization. I come to think of that. I should probably do optimization. What is this one? I've kind of said this one. Exclusive lounge. Help me. I need help with. Let's see. I've always felt most comfortable with live elections. Emotional decisions for the week. Huh. My cat is digging her claws in my chest. I don't know how to fix that. I've never owned a cat. I'm sorry. I don't think I've ever owned a cat, though. Anyway. Let's do this real quick. So. How do we check that this has the same sign as this? Let's see. Usually subtraction is good, or good, with cool power of hands and mover. Nice. I had hands. Let's say 8 minus 5. Very completely different signs, which is wrong. Let's see, 8 minus 3, that's... So I don't think it's gonna be done with negatives. Just this. Okay, are there any pre-placed blocks? Okay, gotcha. There are pre-placed blocks. If we of my got deleted? How? How did it get deleted? What happened to it? Okay. This is gonna be a difficult one. But well, how did your Let's Play get deleted? What? I can't. Oh, I can't label these yet. Why can't I label these? Harry Plus, right? Interesting. How are you gonna do? But how did it get deleted, though? That's the main question. Huh. Never gone. Okay. I figure this out myself, though. Can 0 to the outbox if they're the same sign, or sends 1 to the outbox if the signs are different? Huh. Oh, he just put up team all over. And try to figure this. Okay, let's think about this for a second. If those. But I need to figure out which one's like less, right? If they were the same sign, they could be the same. Huh. It's called XOR, exclusive OR. On this new information, you may research independently if you like. Ah, it's an X. Yeah, no, that's right. This would normally be a place where XOR would be a. So let's talk about XOR for a little bit. Might as well, because I also need to refresh this on. I need to refresh this one on my own. So, XOR or exclusive OR. This is basically a function. You get 2 Boolean inputs. Let's say you just input A and input B. This leads to C, right? XOR function is basically like if both of these are 0, then 1 or 0. This should be 0. If both of these are 1, that should be also 0. It's only when either one of these are on, where it should output a 1, right? Let's think about like OR. Think about the old OR. Basically, if A or B is true, then the output is true. Basically, both zeros lead to 0, but everything else just leads to a 1. But exclusive OR basically takes that and it's just like, okay, only one of these things can be true. How do you do that through addition? I'll probably come back to this later, but dang. Back to it later. Yeah, I don't know. OBS. Zero terminates some. Yes, we believe in educating employees on our job here. Do you know what a zero terminated string is? It's a very old technique, we don't expect you to know. You may ask me about it if you like. We may ask you to external service. I hope to get the job done. Give me an example. What? String is just a list of values, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or not, or 99, 2. But how do we know when one string ends, and another string begins? And mark the end of a string with something special, like a 0. Here are 2 zeros terminated strings. 1, 2, 3, and 0, 9, 8. And 9, 8. Sometimes the string can be empty. Here are 3 strings, notice that the middle one's empty. Yep. That sadly means the string cannot all contain the number 0. And 0 means something special. Oh, now we know. Back to work. Okay. I don't know numbers to give in the string. When we reach the end of a string, mark by 0, put some in the outbox. So we just do an inbox. Let's copy 0. If it's jumped to 0, if it's a 0, if we're holding a 0, then we can say screw it. Right? Say screw it and skip, right? But we need to do initialization, right? So how do we do this? I don't know if... Puzzle games is a lot of internal thinking, which I can't really show, can I? If it's 0, we can just grab from the this thing and just copy it and just put it in the outbox. Oh, we name this, right? We can name this turtle again. Name this turtle. Screw it. Why not? If it's not jumping to 0, we can just grab from the inbox, right? And add it to turtle. Wait, what? So 3 goes in here, so that's the initialization. What happens if we grab it from the inbox? That's not good. I was just adding stuff. 5. Go from the inbox, add it to here. If I need to copy a 2, turtle. Okay, that should work, right? No way that I'm turning wrong. Is that because... Hold on, let me step back for a bit. Just do that. Okay, so what do I want this to do? What do I want this to do? That'll be. Just grab it from the inbox, right? But that's the hard. But what do I do with that? So we need to add the free and the free together. So and terminate, then check if it's a. So if I grab this, right? So if I grab this, and then we can check if that's a 0. Is that necessary? Like, why do we just need to use 2 slots? Well, what's the point of this 0 down here? There's a 0 here, and that's probably necessary for something I actually just realized. Okay, so let's just add. So if it's 0, we can skip that, but we can add to this. Let's add to this thing right here. Right? We can add to that. That's a 5. And then we can just place that. We can place that in there actually. Copy to 5, right? Just use this as the add thing. Let's use that. Sure. Why not? We add that. We can, and then we can loop and jump back up here, right? So this should box add to that, so that adds solid way that. Then we got a 0. Then we can that exit this loop. Gotcha. So after we've exited the loop, we know that that's a 0, right? Then what do we do afterwards? So okay, so let's go back here. 0 is right here. Let's place it in turtle. Let's place that in turtle for now. Place that in turtle for now. Grab this. And then output that. And copy from turtle to that. And then we can go back up. And then we can jump back up. That's like the simplest solution, I think. I really gotta use the pre-placed box more. Yeah, I could probably do that easier. Yeah, that's probably an easier way to do it. That's how my brain works. That's how my brain works. So, we can probably just cut. Just down. Add that. We just don't need this. That's probably not work out well. No, whatever. We got that done. But we can go back to do that later. Come back to optimization later. Isn't our carbon footprint? To reduce our carbon footprint, measurement is questing to do a smallest number only. This is public relations exercise. Those are going straight to the landfill. Alright. Yeah. Zero terminated string again. Alright. So we take it from the inbox and place it on Veer. No. One. Sure, we can put it in. We can put it in box one. Don't worry about it. It's Porky. Okay. You copy to box one, then we're gonna be needs to grab another thing. I guess this is probably the check box, right? We can name this check, and this we're gonna put this as current. I guess we can leave it at current then. Okay, so let's place this in check, right? Let's place this in check, right? Oh, what happens if it's 0? If it's only 0, what happens? So let's start with a base case, I guess. Maybe if it's a 0. So ideally, if it's just a 0, if we start with 0, it should just be able to just skip the entire operation. Right? It should just skip the entire operation. Otherwise, we can place it in current, right? Then we can check, and we can place it in check. Pick it up, right? So, okay, let's see how this will go. So the current, got from the inbox, place it in check, right? So that means we need to check if that is smaller. Right? So if that is smaller, so then we do so we're currently holding that, so we can subcurrent. And that should subcurrent. So this up, let me just up is positive. If it's a negative number, that ends up being a negative number, we can copy from check and move it into current. But otherwise, you can always just jump back. That's a negative. Wait, no, that's not right. That's a negative number, man. Yes. My brain is shutting down. Holy shit. I feel like I'm just being spoiled by, like... Okay, this might take a bit. While I'm doing a puzzle game, it may take a while. And honestly, it's fine. It's fine. Really need to rethink this. think I need to rethink this. I feel like I'm just overcomplicating things. So, gravity inbox. What if I just bring up the whiteboard again? What happens if I just do that? I keep thinking of the whiteboard, hey, maybe it'll help me out. Maybe it won't. I don't know. Let's check out the whiteboard. Alright, let's see. We're insane. Oh, small. Here. So how would I normally do this? If let's say if I was like coding in Java or something. So I'd probably just have I'd probably store a value, which is basically just gonna be like, let's see, let's sort of like just short it. Just write. What if I just write in Java? What if I just write in Java for a second? See if I remember how to do that. Alright, how do I normally do this? So, what is, that's so small. That is actually like so small. Sure, why not? Then let's just use a different font. Let's be boring, use Arial or something. Or this thing, see me typewriter, sure. So let's say, so normally I would just write a thing for this. So, let's say I would have normally initialized the 0, but that's not really an option here, so I'm gonna have to leave this blank. I mean, normally in calling languages, it would probably just leave it as is. So I would just do a loop. So while, yes, we also have to initialize a current value. So while current is not equal to 0, that's what I normally do. Let's do this in, let's, sure I can, oh, it just works like that, what the heck? That just does the same thing in space, why? Why does it do that? So if current is lower than C, then C is equal to current. This is some like weird amalgamation, but pseudocode, it's whatever. But replace that, and then after all that's done, we just return C. This is some just weird pseudocode. That's how I normally do it, but I don't have the luxury of doing that. You know, I actually have the luxury of doing this. So, move this, rest around here. So how would I do this with this set of instructions then? Yes, so I have to load the value in a minute. I have to change this because I just really had to load value in. So let's just do like a load value. I guess we need to do like a load value pseudo. Or I guess let's initialize an index or an idea. Let's say this is a conveyor belt, so this is the index. So let's say like this is an array of like, call it conveyor. Conveyor, and that's equal to the, like it's a number of small number, I guess, members. Yeah, no, how I would do this is probably, because this would actually probably be like just be a list or queue. I think this would probably be a queue. This would be a small. I'll probably just pop first. Pop. let's just what's the Q function? Let's just say something. Let's just pop it. Let's just grab first. Let's pop it out of Q, I guess. We'll just pop that, and then we can pop that, and then we can pop that up. And here we can just pop that out of Q. Something like that. This is like really bad code. I don't even know if pop's the right term for it since it's been a while, but yeah. I don't even understand this. Who knows? I don't know, I like doing dumb stuff, but I also want to like try my hand at puzzle games because I think puzzle games are interesting. I don't think the thing is I don't think anybody does share my enthusiasm, which kind of sucks. It sucks when I don't know. When you're building a community, like when you're trying to build a community, you want to pick people with like-minded interests, and I kind of screwed up. Like, what is the let's be honest. What is the overlap between like people who play Bloons and people who like play these types of, who are interested in these types of games? Want to think who actually do want to think through these types of games? What is the overlap between those? I don't think the overlap's over. Honestly, between Bloons and like puzzle games, I don't think the overlap's all that big. Because here's the thing about Bloons. Bloons is basically the same type of game where like you kind of just have fun. You kind of just screw. You can kind of just screw. For most people, it's you kind of just screw around. You kind of just see how far you can get and all that. Well, I like to more puzzle. Well, I tend to like. It's like people like, oh, it's like you pigeonhole into so many little. I remember so many complaints against some of the Bloons, like with some of the quests. Is like, oh, you pigeonhole into like these such restricting solutions. And I'm like, is that really a problem? Like the puzzle, like sure, open-ended answers are great. Like you do it however you want. Yeah, that's great and all. But like, I have the appreciation for puzzle type for puzzle type challenges, and I don't know. I don't think the overlap's all that big, then. It's kind of difficult. I don't know if I'll ever get an audience. I would like be like, I'd have to like expand it, but I don't think I would ever get an audience. I would just be that enjoys these types of things. Enjoys the types of things I would. So sure, I have the dumb suggestion I have like doing the dumb stuff every now and again, but like, I also want to do this. This is kind of fun. I mean, anyway, I'm screaming to the void right now, and that's kind of expected. I mean, it doesn't really help with the personality that I kind of have. It's just not exactly. Yeah, basically nothing from that. My brain just kind of shut down. You will never be given an empty string. Okay, yeah, that's kind of expected. Yeah, we can always just initialize to copy to like current, right? So, and then let's do this loop. Oh, we can just set, okay, set copy to check. We can just sub, and then we're currently we're holding that, so we can just sub concurrent. And then something. If I just grab this, if I grab current, and then run the sub, even run the sub, even run sub. That means if that's negative, I can just pump. It means if it's not negative, then. So that's negative. We can just go back up here, right? But if that is negative, yeah. So, but if that, if that's 0, we can just go down here and just grab and just copy from the current, go to outbox, and just jump out and jump all the way back up. Okay, so let's see how this works. Current. Then check. Me never jump. If that's true, then we need to copy check and copy that to current. Yeah, we need you to put the jump here. But I never actually put it in here, man. How can we fix that? Because this is going to... Oh. Yeah, that would make sense. That's difficult. The optimization challenge is difficult. I just don't feel like I have to. Oh, why did I click on that? Cumulative countdown. What's the purpose of assignments? I think it's about calculating your volume between staircases. Could put it in somewhere. Which means the outbox of the inbox, the outbox is outbox sum of itself. Alright, so this is gonna be like sum? Should this just be sum? How many instructions do you need when I need to do? 12. Okay. 12 instructions, that's probably shouldn't be that bad. I have in a lovely way. Alright, so we jump to 0. Jump down to 0, then we can just copy from some box and just grab it. So I jumped up in here. So what am I doing? We need an ad block. Do I? I should be using this block as well. The 0. Doing out playing a puzzle game. Okay. What is happening? What am I trying to do here? If I just... okay. Let's just throw away a bunch of these. Just to get my brain to reset. Alright, so... copy from 0 and put it on here, I guess. Box, we can add a that and place that down. Copy to copy to that. I'm not outbox. I shouldn't outbox that. But here's the thing we need to do. Yes, there's probably this is no. This is where we're gonna store value. Probably. Store the value. I think about this. Yeah, we don't need to add it until... yeah, we don't need to... I don't need... okay, we only need one inbox probably. My brain is breaking. Little puzzle games. Treat me like I'm... they make me realize how dumb I am in a grand scheme of things. Honestly, I feel like there's something, a reminder I need. Sometimes my ego gets too high. Just doing the same thing over and over again, just to get myself to do. Add some. Place that in here. Then we can bump that down. Does that place in my inventory or something, or what? So yeah, that place inventory, we just jump here, copy from some, and then we can have a jump. Then we can have a jump from here. Probably. Forgot to account for negative numbers. I forgot to account for negative numbers. One, two, yeah, that's 12. Okay, I forgot to account for negative numbers. Let's do this. Make this sum. We make that sum. Instead of just crushing this. Yeah, probably have to do that. It's 'cause I'm not. Oh, it's because I'm not doing the. I'm not actually checking for 0 here. You're fine. Okay, that's what I was missing. Gotcha. $98. Yeah, got the size right though. What a better way to do that, but Midnight Petroleum. What is she even doing here anyway? That's a good moon. That's creepy. Robots taking over. So is she gonna be gonna replace her with a robot now? All right, storage floor. Let's see what's going on here. Your change is coming, but I see you already know that. Yes, you can now access slots on the floor. What does that mean? We'll see. You're gonna change everything. Okay. You know, access slots on the floor indirectly. I'm gonna name this title, thing. Sure. Okay, so does that mean I can just... Some nice sound effects. That's some nice sound effects. Correct address in the inbox. We just copy that. So we can copy that to copy what is in the inbox to this. We can copy from this. Copy from whatever is in thing. Then outbox it. When just loop that. All right. So what's that? Easy. I don't know why it's checking for size complexity. I swear to God, there's somehow a simpler way to do this. I'm gonna scream. Alright, sweet. Tell you about it later. String storage floor. Oh, special covert assignment. Management is requesting strings from the floor. To process strings and not read what's customer to say. It being polite to read messages intended for something else. And forbidden. Get the tar awake is XXX. Okay. Yeah. We can copy so we can copy that to the 0. That's gonna be the starting, right? So that's gonna be the starting. We can copy from whatever's on 24. This is gonna be index. This is gonna be our index. This is the open. This is, let's be honest, this is the only open slot. So I don't know how else we're gonna be doing with that. An outbox that, and we can bump this. We get reach 0, we can go back up, but otherwise, we'll like just go there. So we should be able to do that. And I outbox to 0 by accident. Outbox 0 by accident. All right, let's figure out why it's happening. So place the index. Go in here. From that. Oh no, because I need to place it from the copy from. I need to check if it's a copy from. If I just skip. Yeah. No. Okay. The tar get XX is awake. The target is awake. Take this. The target is awake. Take this. What does that mean? String manipulation of indexes. Now that's my type of thing. All right, sweet. That's easier. String reverse. Okay, now it's cooking out seriously. Doesn't say. Hello. How are you today? Haha. Haha. Okay, now seriously. Reach 0, terminate. Reverse input in the output. Okay, yeah, gotcha. So this is gonna be index. Hey, look. Okay, you're also the index. Gotcha. So we're just gonna go, so I guess we can go up and down, I guess, right? So we can start from that. And copy to whatever's in this. Whatever's in index. No, that's not what I want. Copy to whatever's in index, right? Then bump. Just repeat that. You can bump this. And if we reach 0, then we can probably then. Okay, let's make sure this does what we want first. 1. Okay, so the jump is 0 should be starting from the inbox. Means we need to. Yes, so that means we need to copy. So that means we need to copy from index. Or the index. And then outbox it. And then outbox it. And then we loop that until we reach 0 again. What? That's not right. Me. Can bump minus. New bump minus here. That's not what I want. Gray. Pink. Okay. So do we still wait? So do we still have if negative? Jump if neg. Oh yeah, no, that's great. We have jump if negative. Let's go. What? Glorious figure. How about attempt to read or write with title on floor that does not exist? Oh, what the heck happened here? Oh, that's a new achievement. Okay. I forgot to reset to 0, didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, let's bump that back up. Let's be lazy about this. It's the optimization now to 11 fewer. Yeah, let's bump that back up first. Like after we do the outbox thing, probably. No, that's okay. That messes things up. If negative. It's not quite right. If we just do jump at 0. You jump at 0, then see what happens here. Nope. What did I mess up? What? Okay, so jump if 0. Do index. Pump index. Up. Pump that up. Slider thing, I hate how it just resets. True. It's skipping the... Okay, so it's skipping the last one, which is an issue. That's why I have a negative was necessary, so we just jump. So... Jump is 0, we just... Make this, you know what? What if we just do this? We just make this index. Good. This is probably gonna be 0. The first, oh, that's pretty bad writing. Let's make all of this 0 first. Make all of this index. 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 Every time we start, we can copy from that, copy to this. We need to jump if negative. Right here. Nope. I'm missing. Because I don't need that slot. I don't feel like I need that slot, right? Like I don't, right? The idea is that this is just gonna descend back down, right? So I don't know why. Oh well, if my favorite YouTube dropping was shocking. Hey, Hyro, it's been a while. I'm doing a puzzle game that, yeah, I'm doing. So there's something very obvious that I'm missing. What the? Yeah, because I have to. What? I have an idea. This is a dumb idea, but I have an idea. It's just, I have a very, very dumb idea. Jump is replace that with jump of 0, and then just do that. My IQ is too low first. Yeah. Okay. What the? Because I put this. Because I did plus. Because I did plus instead of. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's go. See how that goes. That works! You gotta be kidding me! Why does that work? Why? Alright, we solved it! 121 steps, what happened there? Why does that work? Hold up, no, I need to figure this out. Alright, alright, so basically what we were trying to do here is remember, 0 terminated strings, basically, this is a string is a set of letters, think of a word or something, and then a 0 represents a space, so basically, we just need to isolate individual words, right? And then we have to reverse it, so we have to go up, and this is basically keeping track of this box in the bottom right is keeping track of what box you're trying to put it in. So we just kind of have to. Now I want to see Trevor play this. Oh dear God, that'd be fucking hilarious if I just. Yeah. So that gets that gets reversed, and then as it goes back down, it's gonna place the letters in reverse. That's kind of what I was trying to do here. But I guess I needed that extra leeway from the extra box, and honestly, Trevor playing this will be a nightmare. Trust me, it's gonna be. I want to see Trevor play any puzzle game. When's the last time he played a puzzle game? It would only be Chad helping him. Yeah, that's true. But it's also torturing him because you're counting verification, surprise audit. These are a few of my favorite things. So let's get started. For each thing in the inbox, send to the outbox a total number of matched items on before. Oh no. What? Wait, what is... So do I have to iterate over the entire thing, or what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. Okay. What? Okay. Tell me more. How can you determine if 2 letters are equal? Maybe try the same thing you would do if they were numbers. Oh. Okay, so yes, B is just one more. Oh, it's doing that. It's ASCII. Okay. Okay, I get it. So basically, what it's trying to say is that. Let's just okay, I might need to pull out the whiteboard for this because I understand what's going on, but I'm not sure if you understand what's going on. Pull out the whiteboard. Give me a minute. I have to bring this back up. Pull this up. I don't know if you don't know this, welcome to the whiteboard. Anyway, basically what he's trying to say, how do I normally do check if this number is equal to this number? How do I normally check? How do I check if 2 is equal to 2, right? Basically, if 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, equals 0, right? If this end number is 0, that basically means it's equal. So what it's telling me to do is basically what he's telling me is b minus b equals 0. So basically, think of these letters as numbers. So let's say 1 is equal to A, 2 is equal to B. That's basically what's going on. And now I need to utilize that to my advantage. Gosh dang it. Okay. So how do I use that? So now the question is, how do I use that to my advantage? Do I just have to go up the list or something? How do I do that? So let's check if let's just grab it from the we can just grab it from the inbox, right? Grab it from the inbox, which is the thing on the left side. And grab from the inbox and then we can sub. Let's just sub. Let's just do the sub from like this thing. Oh. Yeah. If that's equal to 0, we put that in the if that's equal to 0. Jump it. The thing is, it's not an if statement, so it's jump if 0. Jump if 0 is a very different statement from if you would like see in the code. Like if you're writing like Python, if something is this. If something is the if statement, if something is this, you just put whatever you need to do in the if in brackets. Is that in the brackets, I guess, or what, or under that section, which is how I normally think of stuff. Jump if 0 is more like assembly, where it's like you try to jump. It's really just jumping to instructions, which is easier to understand. I mean, it's better for the computer side, but in my brain, it just does not work. It just does not work in my mind. What would be an easy puzzle game for someone to suggest to somebody? Oh, have you? Oh yeah, you were Pyro, were you there for the Woodworm stream? Oh no, I don't know if he was there for the Woodworm stream. That'll be really funny. That would be a really funny game to show to. I don't know if he even played it. I don't know if puzzle games are just. I know he likes FPS. I know Trevor would like FPS and all that. Okay. I think this is just. Can I just name this index? I can probably just name this index. And Ira's gone. Probably just happened. Alright, sweet. Let's check out index. Oh, that's equal to 0. So if that's. We can just add this. We can just add the index back. Let's add this back. And then if it is 0, then we can at least outbox it. Otherwise, dumb. What do you mean? I'm sorry? Okay, you're saying, oh, so you're telling me that subtraction works with letters, but adding doesn't? What do you mean? Huh? Okay. Okay, you're clearly treating these like what? I mean, you're clearly treating these by. Wait. Now I'm curious. I'm thinking of that. No way, right? What? Does it only work with like letter to Does it only work with like letters and letter combinations? Why does that? Why? Okay, so you can't add. Okay, maybe it's only letter to letter. That's fine. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna rethink this. What? Okay. All right. Not like I had a plan. Not like I really had a plan, first off, but, you know. It's a fun... You know what's... So, what's this? Ask it. Reaching the outbox and... Maybe the index... Hold on. What if I just... Okay, first off, let's copy this and copy to... It's total number, right? So... The same this as count, right? This is gonna be like how much it's going to count. That's gonna be the start of it, right? So inbox. Probably from index into count. That's gonna put count as 0, right? What am I doing? I'm here to only watch because I'm a monkey in these puzzle games. That's fair. I'm just vibing. I'm just chat. Like not I don't know. It's kind of like not many people. You know, this channel. You know, the more I play these types of games, the more I feel like, yeah, this channel is kind of weird because I want to do like a lot of different games. I want to experiment. I want to try different games. It's just like, how many people would be like, would have the same interest of games that I do, you know? Let's see. So we just grab the inbox. That's everyone can check. Everyone can. We can just subtract. We can subtract from. Okay, this index. From this index, right? So that's. So if that's 0, we can bump. If that's 0, we bump. Yeah, no, we don't bump minus. We bump. We add 1 to this index count, right? Are you doing this currently? So basically, we're just trying to find. For each thing in so this instruction at the top left, I just realized, okay, it's been like the entire stream, but like that we've had this issue. But here's the thing. So for each thing in the outbox, send to the outbox the total number matching on the floor. So basically, if I try to grab B, then if I try, let's just do this first step first. Give me a minute. So if I grab from B, right? Then just check. And then I need to check if that's equal, then I need to count how many things are equal, I guess. Be right back? Okay. But, yeah. The hell? Yeah. We also need to bump. We also need to bump in. We also need to bump index. That's another thing. Let's bump index. We jump. No, we jump here, right? And then we have to, oh yeah, we have to copy from, like, index, we have to copy from whatever's in the index, right? Or, let's, up index. Wait, that's not right. That's not right. Okay, let's put on for, like, we might have to run for base. Okay. So we're gonna have let's just inbox copy to whatever this is. And then copy from we copy from this. Yes. We don't have an output yet because, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I understood nothing you said with the ADHD brain. That's fair. What did I just add? I just copied 2. What am I doing? I'm actually brain dead. I should just go, right? You're once again supporting masochist allegation. Puzzle games are fun. Beetle, puzzle game. I think puzzle games are fun. I don't. What do you like? I just sitting here and thinking is fun. I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to solve something. I mean, it's also related. It's also tangentially related to my major, but you know, it's. I think solving puzzles is fun. Beetle, what is wrong with solving puzzles? What's masochistic about solving puzzles? You ever spend a yeah. Whatever, it's fine. What? What's wrong with puzzles, man? Besides, I'm a computer science major. I feel like this should be within my element. I feel like manually checking all of these is. You said you weren't supposed to. You weren't opposed to this idea. What do you mean? Yeah, that's also true. And also, I was very transparent about what type of game I would. You're in the Edel, you're also in the Discord server. You know you should. You could have done research on. Like, that's you don't have. The burden shouldn't fall on you to do research on it. But I did. But I was being kind of transparent. Translucent. I was being translucent about what I was gonna do next. All right. Look, man, I'm doing Subnautica next, which is we're gonna go back to doing random stuff. But dude, puzzle games are fun. I watch Aliens Rock sometimes. Those are fun. I don't have the intelligence for that type of thing, but you know. How many instructions am I actually supposed to... Hold on, I need to check. How many instructions? Am I 16? Really? Oh dear god, I'm actually screwed. I'm actually screwed. It's so over for me. The words of defeat be like. Oh, that's true, isn't it? I mean, it sucks about doing these types of... I did talk about this earlier, but no one was here for it, but... I need to check if index is 0. So I need to check if index is 0, actually. Don't I? Yeah. I have an idea. That's 0. If that's 0, then we grab. Then we copy. Then we just copy to that. Then we just copy to that. Copy from now, and I'll box that. So I feel like you says that you suck at puzzles. I suck at puzzles too, but puzzles are fun. This is way too long. This is actually just way too long. Does this even work? Okay, I'm gonna step back for a little bit. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, this is always gonna be okay. I don't know why I thought that would work. I don't know why I thought that would work. What if I just leave this running, actually? What if I just do that? Let's just let this rise up to like 13 or something. You can't sub between mixed operands. Oh, okay. Yes, I am bad at puzzles, but that has nothing to do with this. Oh dear. Play games with us. I mean, technically he's not. Look, man, Yudo's not technically Yudo's not wrong, but like, but I enjoy puzzle. I just enjoy puzzle games, man. Also, the masochist, look, the masochist allegations are a running joke. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it too much. I feel like I do have to explain that the masochist allegation is just kind of is literally just a running joke. So don't worry about it too much. And I'm just trying to figure out how to do the addition stuff. I think we all know I'm not actually a masochist, right? Like I know we joke about that, but I think we know, but I think we have a sense to know that I'm not actually that, right? Also, who wants to bet he's gonna stuck here for the entire stream? I was stuck. I've been stuck on puzzles before. I've been stuck on a few puzzles. Can you check if is there a way I can check if this is a number? Is there a way I can check if this is a number? How do I check if this is a, But how do I check if he is... that's a question. I mean, here's the thing. Hold on. I think I'm still safe, but I've been stuck on some stuff, like down here. Like all of this whole string of things, like I've just been not doing great. At some point I just kind of stopped doing what's the Fibonacci visitor? I'm curious. What is this? It's back always for advanced employees only. Are you sure you want to be here? This might shift opportunity. No, you're difficult. You're gonna need help for help. What the? Levels, all levels? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Dang it. Who's Fibonacci? Let's talk about Fibonacci for a second. I don't know who Fibonacci is, but I'm gonna talk about this for a second because I feel like I want to. I feel like if I'm gonna do this puzzle, I'm gonna explain this myself. And let's talk about the Fibonacci sequence. Let's pull up the whiteboard. Yeah. Anyway, so here's so Fibonacci sequence is basically n is equal to n minus 1, or n minus 1 plus n minus 2. N is an index in a sequence. What does that mean? Basically, let's just start with like let's just start with like. See how much trouble coming with something you ain't gonna get. Trust me, you're gonna learn about this later. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That's the first part of a sequence. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. We take the two previous numbers, like the second number and the output of this sequence, and then we add them together. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. To continue on the sequence, we take this second number and the output number. We do 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It's basically, it's basic math, but it's a sequence. It's basically, yeah, it's just a sequence of numbers. It's just sequence. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and this goes on ad nauseum. That's basically what the Fibonacci sequence is. That's basically how best I can explain the Fibonacci sequence. If you want to learn about food Fibonacci. Maybe something can explain it here. Yeah, each number is a sum of the preceding ones. So let's say 0 plus 1, that equals 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Yada yada yada. Because you're ADHD. Yeah, I don't know how it affects your learning, so I might have to explain it. If you want, how do I work around? I mean, I can try to work around that, try to figure out how to explain it to you in a better way, but I don't know. I don't know how to like properly visually like explain it to you. That's the thing. Only part I took it from is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Really? Really? My point is that it goes on. My point is that it just goes on forever and ever. Like I'm 12, all I know is video games. Dude, I think I knew that by the time I was. You know what? That's just me having a superiority complex. But you know. If inbox then outbox should be one. Outbox should be okay. Just one copy to this box and let's call it a fib. Let's call it fib, I guess. How am I gonna do this? I actually don't know how I'm gonna do this in the first. How many instructions does it want me to do? 19. Oh dear god, 19? That's like the minimum? Oh dear god. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna need to do a bunch of initialization then. So let's copy from 9. And that copy to 2. Let's just bump 8. Something and then copy to that. That should be like that should be our initialization. We can just loop back to here. So does that initialize properly? Yeah, if I initialize properly. So then that should bring it to our fib. Alright, sweet. Love this little scene from Sonic Prime season. Sonic Prime? What's Sonic Prime? What's Sonic? What is Sonic Prime? Let's copy from. Gee, let's call this add 1. Gee. Wait a second. Do I have access to... I don't. Dang. I can't use index. I can't use the index. I can do the index thing, so normally I would do the index thing. Yeah, that's space. Yeah, it would take a bit too much space, but like, come on, man. Perhaps register that. Oh, that's just... So we can add that. And copy it to add 2. Add 1. Copy 2 out 1. Let's do that. Does it not work if you what? Type Netflix? I was... I don't have Netflix. What's causing that? Yeah, this is just gonna... Yeah, this causes a recursive function, yeah. Yeah, that's basically how that Fibonacci sequence is supposed to go. Oh, overflow! Oh, that's an easy way to do overflow. That's nice. Okay. How are you doing this? I need you to leave repeatedly. Right? Add 2. Then we place that into out, right? And then we can just sub. Everyone can sub. We can sub from bed, and everyone jump to 0. Everyone jump to 0 to. That's gonna be our. So that's gonna be our exit condition, right? But then we can. And then we can copy. It's gonna be our exit condition, but if not, we can copy from add 1. Well, copy from add 1 to move to add 2, but then copy from out, and then copy to add 1. That's gonna be our. That's gonna be our. The game Cats in Pairs. I've never heard of that game. We have a jump of positive? No, we don't. Oh, okay. Okay. We don't have a jump. Oh, we don't have a jump of positive. If poor guy you're controlling. Yeah, no, seriously. He's doing a lot of work. Also, can you see how fast he goes? No, screw it. I can do this. Negative here. Otherwise, all the way up here. We copy from that too, and then go to outbox. Good place in. Yeah. Damn it! Wait. What? Measurement of outbox to 1? Oh. Oh, right, because I'm doing a sequence until... Hold on, is it until? Yeah. Wait, just 1 plus... Does this actually include the first one? Includes the first one. Okay, I have to rethink this. Puzzle games aren't really my type. That's fair. How much you are paying him? I have no idea how much I'm paying him. I don't think he's getting paid. Okay, I need to rethink this. I actually misread the instructions. I do that a lot. Like, my brain just goes fast and I just can't read these properly. How do I do this then? Filing a complaint for Department of Labor. Yeah, it's true. Okay, I need to rethink this. So... Just move this. Department of Labor is kind of a... I wonder how our labor system is here. But I feel like I need to take a step back here. I'm taking this. I need to take a step back here. What the what happened there? Oh, that's just reset. Okay. You need to do both. Let's saved. That's saved. Okay. You need to do both here. Both conditions. That only took about 20 minutes. All right. 160? Oh. Oh dear. I'm not. You come back to the stream to say that. Which is it, man? Which is it? Dear God. AFX3, what's up? We're done. I just finished it. That one took about 20 minutes. Okay. Let's do inventory reports. Let's see. Dr. Disrespect. Oh dear. What's this one? I was working on this one. How much is this? 16. Okay. Why? I'm just in shock. I'm in awe. Yeah, so once it gets to 14, that's when I want to terminate, but how do I do that? But how do I get to terminate when I get to 13? It's 13. I don't know. So, yeah, no. The reason why I'm stuck on this one is I don't know what to do once I get reach index. Once I reach the index. Doing the same thing, just starting to think about like what I want to do. Do I need all these indexes? But I kind of do, don't I? Because I want to increment. I want to keep track of a count, right? How do I check if it's... I think let's just throw garbage values at FMC. Yep, that's it. That's what... yes, it's in there somewhere. You'll find it, guys. I know that's not how this game works. I know for a fact that's not how this game works. Okay, what's even happening in this one? I actually forgot. Okay. No, I don't feel like it. So, nice thing about this game is that there's tabs, so I can probably just start from scratch if I really want to, and come back to this later if I really get an idea. Check if current value is 0. I can probably check if current value is 0. Okay, I have an idea. That's gonna be a null termination. Okay, that's gonna be null termination. I have an idea. That's my idea. I don't know why I didn't think about that before. So this will be... Let's just make this count. Let's make this index. Let's make this base. I don't know why I didn't think about it before. Oh my god, it just hit me. Copy from... It just hit me that I can just do that, can't I? Anyway, let's have this. So, mbox, let's copy to base. Copy to base. And then we can start a loop. And we just copy from the current whatever index has stored for us. We can sub from base, and if it's 0, if it's 0, we can bump index up. We can bump up index, but we're always gonna bump up count. Right? So how does this work? Wait. Base 1. I reversed it. Okay, so you're gonna bump count, you're gonna bump up index. Copy from, and then we can probably just do if that's 0, then we can copy from count and then outbox that, and then jump all the way back up. Why was that so difficult for me? I am such an idiot, dude. I forgot about no termination. Oh, why am it was in my face. You've been teaching about that for the entire time. Well, I'm such an idiot! That just hurts me. Yeah, no, I can just use that for... Yeah, this might take a bit. This is as fast as I can go. To be clear, this is as fast as I can go. You can see the slider at the end here. I guess it's more time to realize. Oh my god, I should not have spent as long as I should have on that one. Yeah. Okay, I don't even know. I don't even care about speed challenges. I want to do. I care more about instructions. And hey, where's Carol?
Hey, where's Carol?
Oh.
Oh my god. This coffee is amazing. Back to work, ladies.
Breaking. Previous reports of machine army evaluate to false. Everything equals 100% fine. Weather within pleasant tolerance parameters for human skin layer. You're all going to be fine.
I feel like the deepening in voice just indicates a lot. Vowel incinerator. Oh boy. Okay. What's the meaning of this? Management has time to introduce bandwidth by removing all the vowels from every word. Good luck. Okay, we have another null termination stream. Fine. We have it's another null. Something tells me not everything will be fine. Something tells me that too, but I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure what that is though. Let's just do the same. Let's just do the same thing. Yeah. Sure. Sure. That works, right? Yeah, let's make you index. Loop here. I don't think I need. I don't want to figure out what this loop is. But you saw how I think this fully encapsulates how fucking dumb I am. And I can probably just copy from index 0. Let's jump if 0. I'm gonna leave that here for now. Jump if 0. Let's do. Brain is just not working. Copy from it. Index if what's up? Let's just sub from letter. If it's 0, then we can just put 0 back up here. Back up here. But if we do reach, wait, it's 0, we throw that away. If this, index. Oh right, so this doesn't go here. This goes here. We can copy from letter. We can just copy from letter and just a box of that image. And then we go all the way back up. Go all the way back up. Sure, why not? Fuck. Put it back. Fuck, where is that? Okay, back up. So we figured out that was 0. I grabbed the wrong one, didn't I? I grabbed the wrong jump if 0, didn't I? I grabbed the wrong one, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. It's like they said on the news, because the news is always trustworthy, right? I think the news is always trustworthy. What's that message say? You didn't catch that. I'm such an idiot, dude. Like, the no termination string I really should have caught on to that earlier. Oh, wow, that's rare. But I should have caught on to that earlier. Oh my goodness. Duplicate removal. Hello. What's up with you? You're fired. Haha, just kidding. But I do have a note here from your supervisor. She's not sick today. She says, it's time to eliminate efficiencies. And that's it. The supervisor's doing fine. Anything from the inbox unless you need to value same value stored in duplicates. Alright, so let's assume that this is an index. Let's assume that this is an index, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna let's just save this. Okay, how the hell am I doing to do this? How am I going to do this? Because I want this to be... So we take it from the inbox, click up, copy it to that, and go with this. That's a simple part. Let's just do index or something. Hello. Okay, so we made it past that other one. We made it past the Fibonacci and the other one, but now I'm trying to figure out. Okay, duplicate check, which is gonna be an issue. How many? I feel like it helps if I just see how many 17 steps or 17 commands. That's like, I don't know. Those types of numbers actually do help me like try to figure out like what I need to do. You know something? Constraints help you think of stuff better. You know. I feel like I'm the only one who gets. I feel like I'm the only one who thinks. I don't know. Maybe you do think. No. Maybe not. Maybe not the index. Let's just. First off, let's just copy from x2. That's gonna be. So I think we have to reutilize ultra elimination streams again. So. Your index. So normally we would check. So this would be the check, right? You check. So we just copied. So we don't need to do this yet. We just copied. We can just copy to check right here. Let's use pancake batter to make some donuts. Mini donuts? Huh. Versatility. But if this copy from I guess or next if it's zero we can throw it in the out. If it's 0 we can place in the outbox. Up into the index. Copy to index, copy from, check, then we just move that in. Right? And then we can go back up to... And then we could loop back up here. So... But otherwise, we can... Otherwise we can bump index. Wait. Oh, this isn't right. Oh, that's not right. Oh, no. What have I done? That's interesting. Bump index here. That's not right. Yeah, okay, that's the issue. That's the issue. Yeah. Do-do-do. Oh, that's an issue. Not quite necessary, is it? Oh, this works, doesn't it? Got to reset index, didn't I? Is this gonna take 17? Ah, I can just do that then. Copy 2, and we just copy that to index. Good. Sweet. That's not right. I'm trying to figure out, I actually never did any comparisons, did I? Okay. Wait, what am I doing in this code? Just putting stuff together and I'm like, wait, what am I doing actually? Let's do this again. Let's just restart. I'm gonna be the last puzzle of the night. I'm trying to get this done before 8:30 or something. How's it going? Hey, turtle. We've gotten through. Hold on. Let me show this off. we've gone through a handful of levels. We still got a little bit more left, but I'm probably gonna end the stream after this one. Because I also want to, because I can still do optimization once. I can still do optimizations next time around. Yeah, basically we're just trying to figure out how to eliminate duplicates, I guess. I tried this, but not working. But yeah, bottom line, I forgot to actually do a comparison. So we're starting from scratch because I'm an idiot. Check. Let's. Is this meant to be index? Okay, I'm just gonna make sure. You know what? Maybe index can go here this time. Screw it. It's fine. So we just go. So initialization. We can go copy from this. Copy to here. And then we can grab something from the inbox, which is on the left side, and we can probably place it onto the check. So just checking if this does what it wants us to. Yeah, that's what I want to do. The thing is, how's it going? Why you type it again? How's it go? Hold on. I gotta remove the duplicate, man. I'm sorry. You gotta remove the in here response. Oh. We're doing alright. I might just give me the last puzzle of the night. But we're basically just trying to, was back in stream. Okay, but no, we're just kind of doing all of this. We're just trying to figure out how to discard duplicates. The main issue that I have. Do I need an index? No, I need an index, don't I? No, because I need to do the null terminate. Right? What if I just don't need this? Just copy this to here, right? I copied that. What if this is the index? No, that doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Well, should I just pull up the, should I pull up the whiteboard again? I feel like I need to explain what's going on, and I need to understand this better. I don't know why I did that. Let's just copy an index. It's off. Between Xbox. This seems confusing. Hold on. Turtle, I'm gonna ask you, let's check what I actually did while on. Do you understand what's going on? Okay. No. Do you understand what's going on here? Nope. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna need to go back. Let's go all the way down to like here. Do you understand what's going on here? Nope. Okay, basically this copy from 4, this is box 4. We start with box 0. You know, see how this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At least I don't know how big my cursor is. I feel like my cursor is really small, but like in the middle box, you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's basically that's asking to copy the value inside box. It's copying value inside from box 4 and putting it onto the right side of this. Onto the right side. That's basically the outbox. That's basically what outbox is. It takes whatever this guy is holding. So let's just take this step by step. Chop from box 4, grabs a box in box 4, and then outbox puts it in the box. Outbox. This arrow is for some reason pointing to the next instruction, which I don't know why it's doing that, but basically just yeah. Everyone can make this more complex. Let's see sub hallway or something. What's happening in sub hallway? Oh, basically, oh, yeah. Grabs from the, this one's gonna grab from the inbox. Copies to box 0, grabs another one from the inbox, copies to the next box. We try to subtract 0 and put that in the outbox. Copies from the first one and then we do subtraction. Remember, it's what this guy, how subtraction works in this one. It's basically, it's what this guy's holding minus the, minus whatever in the box. And then the output goes back into the guy's hand. Okay, sweet. And then just jumps. And then this jump right here basically brings this pointer all the way back up, so it effectively creates an infinite loop. So it just does this. It just does this no matter what. And that's how this game works. It's basically, if you're aware of what assembly is in programming, it's like the low-level programming language. It's basically that. That's what I'm trying to explain. That's what I'm trying to explain, because if you ever work with assembly, you work with pointers, and that gets annoying as shit. Or also C. If you just see coding language, that's also another thing. Also, I did terrible in these. Please ignore this part. But yeah, that's basically, I'm just trying. Wait, come to think, I also have to explain. Do I have to explain no termination strings? Basically, you know how words have like a space at the end. That's what. And if we define a word as basically just a set of characters separated by spaces, the 0 would represent a space, and that like thing, that little thing, snuppet. I'm glad one of us can decipher whatever this is. Just play the. I can't really say just play the game yourself because it costs money, but this itches the computer science. This itches a part of my brain that I like. So, yeah. Basically, what I'm trying to do here is I need to store duplicates onto this mat somehow. I need to keep track. I need to keep track of it using this mat. So, yeah. This 0, and we use zeros because we have a jump of 0. Basically, we can use zeros as the end of a block, so we can stop early. Because if we just try to interact with an empty space, it gives us an error. So zeros are basically to stop the whole checking thing in its tracks, I guess. Is the reason why it's called no termination stream. Null is basically like 0 or like, I don't know. I don't know how else to explain it. But yeah. This game is I love this game. Okay, what was I trying to do again? Not this. This was terrible. Okay, so let's see. So what was I doing? So just copy that. Access into that. The index. I don't need an index. Index, Evan, whatever's in. We're just gonna recreate the old code just because I need to. Okay, now let's stick with Subnautica and Stab Reapers. We're doing Subnautica next, don't worry about it. Next stream Subnautica. Shh. Yeah, next stream's gonna be Subnautica. We just do that, and then we can grab something from the inbox, and then begin our check. We can copy to the check bot. We can copy to the check, and that's basically what we're check. And we're gonna use this as a reference. All right, so this is where the check is. So this is where the checking process begins. Basically, we can copy from whatever like the index is pointing to, right? We can copy from whatever. It's two types. I just realized there's 2 pointers aren't there. Copy from this. If that is a 0, then we can escape. Then that's going to be our exit for our loop, right? Because that's what we want to do when it's. So if that's 0, then we can probably just grab. We can probably just grab whatever's in the check and output it. That's not quite right, because we need to be able to store it. So we can copy from check, copy to I guess index. There's an index. What? What am I doing? Alright, let's just see if it's in process. Let's see, because I feel like this is deep behavior. So that means that if that's a 0, that means we've reached the end of the line, right? So then we can jump, copy from check, if we can put that on there because we're storing it. We're storing that value. Now the main problem area. Let's just output this box first. And let's just. What if we bump index? Like bump is increasing the value by 1. Bump index. If we can just Just copy from this and then place you basically where the index is point. This is not index. This is index. Then we can probably bring the loop back, right? Yeah, that's the other issue. What if we just... You know what? I'm gonna try something different and stupid. Probably. What if we just ignore this? But yeah, that means we just don't have no termination. That means we don't have no termination. That's gonna be an issue. So, the thing is, in other, at least assembly, I have a bone for it. I can do like a move value, I have an instruction that just fills up a spot with something. So that's normally what I would be using. I have to actually use 2 instructions to actually move boxes, which kind of sucks. Yeah, it's been like 8:30. Holy crap! I am not getting this on time. What the? What am I? Okay. I feel like I've done the exact same thing I was doing. Yeah, I just ended up doing the exact same thing. Reset. Did I bring back... Let's see what he has to say. Tell me more. What if he does? Yes, I'm scared of her too. Really? Nothing helpful. Yeah. If your inbox is DD... Yeah, it's just reading out all the duplicates. That doesn't really tell me much. 17 fewer commands. This is just self-fight. Just 17 fewer commands is typical a reference. Mainly because... it helps me give a frame of reference of what I'm supposed to be doing. That's an issue. I want to put an ENX here, but... I want to do the same thing I've been doing, right? Problem is I have to... There's no place to... How'd I do... Let's look at the, let's take a look at our previous puzzle, I guess, just to see if I can get... Yeah, because the null is already placed for that. Then here... The null point, the null is already placed here. The end of a string, the end of a string is already placed. But in the new puzzle, I have to figure out how to place the node, the end of it myself. I have to figure out how to place that myself, which is an issue. I'll just go back to this one. We could just do a sub. I need a bump index. Why would I bump? Why is my bump here? I think of it. What if I just bump here? It's gonna be long and this is gonna be the long and dirty complex version. Probably, if this works. What? Okay, what are these inputs? Alright, let's see what this is. Okay, what test case did it fail? Alright, so why did that one fail? I should have checked. The A should have been checked, right? It's because the index didn't get fully reset to 0, huh? Why did it not get fully reset to 0? Why did the index not get... Good. It's way too complex. I think this code is way too complex. I think I gotta step it back a bit. Make this 0, just so I can understand what's going on. This is supposed to start. So the initialization. Huh. Okay. No, for some reason I thought, like, you know, during the stream, maybe more people understand, and then we would have and I could have like a proper conversation with someone else about what's going on here. Yeah, I think yeah, that didn't happen. Probably my fault, honestly. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like the problem is people just maybe people just showed up too late, so we weren't able to like be eased into this. Maybe that's my fault. Why do I just got... Easy finish soon. Okay. You know what? Oh shoot, we're watching Doctor... You know what? I might just end stream just so... Because... are they already watching Doctor Who without me? They are already. God damn it. When he sent that message? Oh, a full hour ago. Fun. Alright, sweet. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to figure out Doctor Who later. That's fun. Because I'm watching Doctor Who with a few friends, but, you know, sometimes I get my messages late because I'm also... The streamer mode is enabled for Discord. You know what? I need an actual break from this. I don't know. I kind of wanted people to be like, for some reason I wanted people to be able to, I don't know. Maybe I underestimated how difficult this game was. I don't know. Anyway, I should probably end stream here. It's actually getting kind of late for my standards. And I don't know. Yeah, next up is gonna be Subnautica. I'm pretty sure I've talked about that because, you know, it's gonna be beginning of the week next time. Monday Subnautica, Monday/Sunday/whatever. I don't know. That's the problem with the whole every other day schedule. The weeks kind of just get weird. Like into like just 2 block, like 2 weeks. It returns to normal later, but like, that's something I don't like about the schedule. It's like the whole, I kind of like value the whole weekly thing a bit better. I don't know, but if I do it wrong, I get less days to progress on some things. But anyway, yeah. So what we're getting from me, I want to come back to this game. Like, even if like nobody else shows up, I do want to come back to this game. That's something I guess I'm gonna have to prepare for. Anyway, that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. I don't know, man. I'm tired. Oh my god. And this, honestly, I really want to. I want, maybe next time I need to find a puzzle game that people understand, because I'm 0 for 2 on. I feel like I'm 0 for 2 on that. Woodworm was kind of a game where people just kind of I remember Turtle just complained that it give you no room for error. And then this game, I feel like this kind of topic doesn't come up easily, does it? Anyway, I'm gonna end stream here. I'll see you guys on Monday, guys.